India will host a high-level regional security dialogue over the developments in Afghanistan following the Taliban's takeover, sources have said. The Delhi Regional Security Dialogue, which was held in September 2018 and December 2019, was not held last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The meeting to be held on November 10th will be chaired by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, sources quoted by media reports said. China and Pakistan have been invited, but their replies are yet to come. Pakistan has, however, indicated to the media that it won't attend. Russia and Iran have confirmed participation. Navjot Singh Sidhu today said he has taken back his resignation as Punjab Congress chief, but also served a new ultimatum to his party. "I have taken back my resignation," Sidhu told reporters, finally announcing what had been anticipated 3 weeks ago after his meeting with Rahul Gandhi. "When a new Advocate General is appointed, I will go to the party office and take charge," he added. However, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has reportedly rejected the resignation of APS Deol, the man Sidhu wants removed as the Advocate General of Punjab. A trial of Pfizer Inc.'s experimental antiviral pill for COVID-19 was stopped early after the drug was shown to cut by 89% the chances of hospitalization or death for adults at risk of developing severe disease, the company said on Friday. The results appear to surpass those seen with Merck & Co. Inc.'s pill Molnupiravir, which has shown last month to halve the likelihood of dying or being hospitalized for COVID-19 patients, also at high risk of serious illness. Several BJP leaders who had gone to a temple in Haryana to watch Prime Minister Narendra Modi's live telecast from Kedarnath temple found themselves surrounded by farmers who have been protesting for nearly a year against 3 controversial agricultural laws. The protesters specifically singled out BJP leader and former minister Manish Grover, who they alleged had used objectionable language against farmers. The BJP leaders and other party members were stuck in the temple for nearly 8 hours as the standoff continued over the protesters' demand for the former minister to offer an apology, which he did later. More pilgrims will visit the Char Dham shrines over the next decade than those who visited them over the last century, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today during his visit to the Kedarnath temple, citing the speed with which infrastructure was being developed in Uttarakhand. Modi praised Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami and added that the way the state government was working for the development, the third decade of the ongoing century will be of Uttarakhand. He said it will attain more heights. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.